Hello, I'm Joy, the founder of Pink Girl Teaches and the creator of the Healing Lounge. I wanted to take a moment of your time to invite you to join us in the Healing Lounge. It is a subscription membership, and in the Healing Lounge, you have access to a robust library of resources for survivors of narcissistic abuse. For one thing, there are live monthly workshops that are part of your subscription. There is group coaching. We meet twice a month, and we tackle some much needed topics in our group coaching program. You also have a library of videos that is on demand at your disposal when you are ready to use them, as well as a library of workbooks, worksheets to help you navigate the different stages of your healing process. My goal is to take you from healing to wholeness, and a lot of times that means going back to the foundations and doing that work to repair and restore those foundations. Join me in the Healing Lounge at www.pinkgirlteaches